The purpose of this video is to show you how to assemble our iron canopy bed. The first step is to make sure that you put sleeves on all 4 posts before you begin. Next, you'll need your headboard extension tubes, footboard canopy extension tubes, inside steel connectors, short connecting canopy bars, long canopy connecting bars, 1/4-20 machine screws to install them, and finally 832 brass set screws for the sleeves. The first step is to clamp the inside steel, compressing it, put the lower end in a post, and gradually drive it into half its length. Should be about 6 inches that you have to drive it in. Be sure to leave that clamp on so that when you put the extension post on, it doesn't drive in further. Clamp the top. Please note that on the canopy extension posts there are 2 clearance holes drilled at the top. A lower one, shown here, and an upper one. That upper one on all 4 posts should always face the opposite end of the bed. Start it on, align it with a screwdriver, and then gradually drive it into place and repeat on all 4 posts. To put the connecting bars on, set 1 threaded rod in, start the other end as shown here, connect the other end, tighten both ends, and repeat on the footboard. At this point you're ready to put the sleeves over the joint. The center of the sleeve should line up with the joint. Mark your pilot hole. Drill your pilot hole with a number 29 drill bit, and then run your threads with an 832 tap. Slide your sleeve up into place, thread in your 832 brass set screw, tighten it, and repeat on all 4 posts. The last thing to do is to install your long canopy connecting bars in the same manner you did the short ones in the locations shown here. At this point you are ready to enjoy your new canopy bed. Enjoy.